All right, guys. So it's the next day of trying this thing out. I think it's locked. Yeah. Me and my buddy had a talk about these 3 Integras we have here. Honestly, I don't think it would make sense to build another project while mine's not done. Like, I still have a lot to do on that. So you guys don't miss out on content, because I know you guys want to see a build. What I'm gonna do to these, because there is a bunch of issues. Yesterday, after my phone died and stuff, we were taking a look at everything. As you can see, there's a bunch of rust. It rained and there's like a puddle of water in there. But yeah, there's just a bunch of issues with this shell. Wiring having to do a lot with it. Just a couple other things that it's just gonna cost a lot of money to build another car. Meanwhile, I still have mine. Like, that is not completely done. I want to do so much more to this. So what I'm gonna do to these 2, I'm just gonna part them out and sell all the parts and take all that money and put it into here. So I think that would be the smarter decision, and you guys still get to see an Integra being built. So I'm not gonna film the part outs necessarily, because I know it's just not interesting watching me part out a car. It's also not interesting to film and edit and rewatch back, because I know it's probably just boring watching a part out. Anyway, so I'm just gonna part these out super quick, no filming, and then all the parts I'm gonna put away, list them, move my Integra up the driveway right here, and then I'm gonna pull my motor. We're gonna do a lot of stuff to that Integra. I want to push power this summer, so hopefully we can get all that sorted, and we'll have a video on that shortly. But yeah, that's what's gonna happen. It's unfortunate to say, but yeah, we're gonna get some more content coming soon. This is a main reason why I'm not keeping this silver car as a build. I just removed the carpet, and there's a little surprise in there for me. But I'm gonna show you Jake's reaction right now, and I'm gonna show you guys. Hold on. All right.
Okay, let's see this.
All right, you ready?
Yeah. Hole in the floor.
Looks pretty good. By the way, tried to take the seatbelt out, snapped. So that made me curious.
Oh my toonies and loonies.
And we got massive rust here, and it's soaked. And we got some money. They're like, yo, further troubles, just huck a bunch of change in here, because they're gonna find this hole eventually. Oh, that's really bad. I couldn't imagine under the sound editing what it looks like, but oh, we got a 100-gram weight right there.
That's a lot of loonies and toonies. That's like 2 ice caps.
That's like 2 ice caps right there, easy. But yeah, that's under the passenger. I want to see what's under the driver.
You have $100 on your hands.
Easy. But yeah, that's just another reason why I'm not keeping this. Like, you got it splitting here. That's only half of the carpet. Like, I don't know what's under the driver's side, which is always the worst, but it's literally splitting. So if I stood there, I guarantee it would bend out. But yeah, I'm gonna remove this carpet and I'll show you guys the full thing, and then I guess that'll be the last clip. But as you can see, that one's really bad. This one outside doesn't look as bad, but see the rust there? I guarantee it goes behind here. And that's why you can see all of that in the hole there. So there's another reason why I can't really, like, it would just be so much money just in body work. But yeah, I could do it myself, but I don't have a welder yet. All right, last clip.
Every clip is the last clip.
It's okay.
It's just a couple loonies and toonies. That's some bus fare.
How do you Like, I don't even know.
I don't
Look at
understand
that.
where in the carpet that was falling through.
Yeah, same. Yeah, clean, no rust. Yeah, go look at that side. You can literally see right through it.
Yeah, it's clapped.
Even up here. This guy's got ciggies. Gross. Yeah, look, you can see right through. There's the ground. It's crazy. So this would definitely need all that cut out. Probably up here too, somewhere under the sound deadening. Back there too. It's bad. So I'm just like, look at this. I'm just glad I'm not building this, to be honest. This would be a money pit. But it's got some sick parts, so I'm gonna part it out. All right, guys, so this is the last you're gonna see of these two. I'm gonna end the video here. And yeah, by the time you guys are seeing this, I'll probably already be started on that red Integra. Like, the motor will be out and all that, so stay tuned for videos of that. That's all I'm gonna be focusing on. And I'm trying to push at least 200 by the end of the summer, like horsepower in this guy. Whether it be in the B that is in there now, whether it be another motor, doesn't matter, but that's what it is. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Easy.